should probably go over here.
Baby.
Gabby.
Oh, my.
Baby, I think she said.
Oh, baby. I hope so, Gabby.
Okay, turn it around. Sorry.
What is it? Oh, look. Goodness, how cute. What is it, Annie Jo? What is it?
That's from Aunt Gabby.
She's looking in the window.
Listen. Pee-pee in the...
Can you get this off?
Pee-pee in the potty.
Is there any way
Sound
you
of
can
toy.
get this off?
You heard right.
Is there any way you can get this
Lily
What off?
and Aaliyah.
Not the
You want to make her naked?
And Aaliyah.
Look up here.
Do you like your baby?
Hey, don't let me forget, if you're through with that belt sander,
And Aaliyah.
I'll get that.
And Aaliyah.
When I go to the cabin, I'll
And Aaliyah.
sand some baseboards
And Aaliyah. Can you say thank you to Aunt Gabby?
Hey, Mom, I want to open this close up.
Yeah.
I want to open the close up.
Okay, just a minute. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you.